ball skying in the air, and it was a comfortable, easy catch. He had to run maybe 10 yards, and he's such a safe pair of hands, Rinku Singh. And another wicket goes by down for Pakistan. 79 required, 27 deliveries, and Fahim Ashraf only scored 10, 97 for it.
So a slip in place. Oh, that's close. Reviewed in the hope that it could be 3-3. But the trend continues here at this ground. Teams batting second, trying to chase down a decent score on the board, have been bowled out. 16 gone, 97 for them.
175 in the first inning. I thought he was maybe a little bit over par. His pitch, the way it was behaving in the early part of the inning, it was spinning, it was not easy to bat on. Rinku just played such a good innings, put India in such a commanding position in the first 10 overs. Kishan, I beg your pardon. He was just too good for Pakistan.
Happy chappy. Rinku Singh. LV4 brings up the 100. Love the chuckle between Rinku and Richard Illingworth before he bowled. Look at the wicket to go. Yeah, didn't pick it. It was struck right in front. It's been all India. As you say, Waqar, from that Kishan innings. Or more. And then just no comeback from there. I'd go one back actually, and a little peculiar having watched all the games here and seen that scores on the board would be the ones that would put pressure on teams batting second in a big game such as this, where the mantra generally is if you can do it, you want to have runs on the board and put your opposition under pressure. So interesting that he decides, Salman Ali Agha, that he's going to bowl first and then start up with his spinners, and then keeps his mystery spinner who everyone's been talking about through the course of the week, the couple of weeks.
I think tactically there were a couple of real errors. Two left-handers batting, Sam Ayub bowling well, and then you bring the leg spinner on, and that really opened the gates for Ishan Kishan and Tilak Verma to an extent. A couple of long hops that disappeared over the fence. And it's moments like that that can really release the pressure.
I love the bat speed also. And he did not hold back at all. He was very clear in his mind, Ishan Kishan, that I'm just gonna keep going.
And so if you want to be the one who's making the play for your team. Many would have been looking toward Abhishek because he's the danger man in the last little while, scoring at 200. Noise there. Good catch. Not happy, Hardik.
That could be a little glove on the way to the wicket keeper. The ball going through the leg side. definitely something on it. Was there a glove? I have a feeling that ball just scooped up. Ishan and Hardik Pandya not happy. Works really hard for his wickets.
He had a dip on Ishan Kishan, surprised him a bit. That's up in the air. And put down. Kuldeep ran, he's not happy. Well, his hands are all over the place here, Hardik. First London, then Paris. London Ishan Kishan, Paris Kuldeep Yadav.
Yes, straight away after that drop, or when he pushed it to over the boundary for 6, Hardik Pandya this was the one we were talking about a little while, a ball before this, just getting a little under glove, and balls are dying to the wicket keeper with that. Drop catch, and the very next delivery, Shaheen Shah Afridi thonked him for 6. Still swinging his bat with eyes closed.
The domination of this fixture by India will no doubt be annoying to Pakistan and to Pakistanis. 11th consecutive win in ICC Men's T20 World Cups.
All right, Pommy, enough. Leave it there.
Shall I?
You had enough of that. India has been too good in the last, 15, 20 years, I would say.
They can't afford the errors because they've been so good. You watch Pakistan play other fixtures and you think, right, as you lead up to this, they might well be able to make a fist of it.
It's the opening batsman. One ball left. It's over. It's all over. That's a clean-up job. And India comprehensive winners by 61 runs. Pakistan have been bowled out for 114. Hardik Pandya, the man to finish things off.
India very clinical in their performance. Ishan Kishan was top draw, the way he batted, and then beautifully done by Bumrah, who was superb with the new ball.